Number 1. The 1955 Dodge Royal, priced at $12,900. This classic car has been kept indoors since 1992, ensuring it's been protected from harsh weather conditions. The smoke-free interior offers a clean, fresh environment. Under the hood, you'll find a Dodge Red Ram V8 engine, personally rebuilt to specifications by Steve Chatham of Chatham Racing Engines. It features dual exhausts for improved performance and a sportier sound. The manual transmission with overdrive enhances fuel efficiency and reduces engine wear at high speeds. Included with the sale are the original Dodge service manual, a spare bumper and guard, and extra wheel covers. The heater and brakes are in good working condition, and there's a remote battery disconnect feature to prevent battery drain when not in use. A Mohawk spare tire is also included. The beautiful interior comfortably seats 6 people, and the car uses an oil bath air cleaner, a type of air filter common in older vehicles. The seller assures that you can drive this beauty home, or they will assist with shipping if needed. Number 2. The 1965 Ford Falcon, priced at $4,000. This classic car is in excellent running condition and is driven daily without any issues. It features an inline 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission with a column shifter, often called a 3-on-the-tree. It handles well and offers decent fuel efficiency, getting 18 miles per gallon or better. There are no leaks and it comes with a clear title, so there are no legal issues with ownership. The car's glass is in good shape, and while there's some minor rust, it's not a major concern. It has 2 new tires installed and is reliable enough for long trips, including cross-country drives. The only minor drawback is that the gas gauge isn't working, so you'll need to estimate fuel levels manually. Overall, it has been well maintained and is ready for its next owner. Number 3. The 1966 Buick WILDCAT, priced at $3,500. This classic 1966 Buick WILDCAT sedan is a real gem, featuring the powerful 401 Nailhead V8 engine. It runs great with no oil or coolant leaks, and the transmission shifts smoothly. The car drives well and stops properly, and it still uses its original gas tank. It's in complete condition, with all major parts intact, though the radio is the only thing that doesn't work. Please note that the car doesn't come with a title, only a bill of sale, which is used for the transaction but may not establish legal ownership in all cases. The car has been registered in both California and Wyoming, so it's worth considering the effects of different climates on its history and condition. Number 4. The 1967 Buick Special, priced at $8,500. This classic car has traveled 69,696 miles and features an automatic transmission. It's in great running condition with many new parts. The car boasts a powerful 300 cubic inch V8 engine. Although the interior needs finishing, all the necessary parts are included. The current owner is looking to sell because they have too many projects and want to focus on other things. The price is negotiable and the owner is open to the best offer. Number 5. The 1975 Pontiac Bonneville, priced at $10,000. This classic sedan has been driven only 27,000 miles, which is quite low for its age and suggests it's in great condition. It's equipped with a 400 cubic inch engine, providing plenty of power and performance. The seller has shared numerous pictures that accurately showcase the car's condition. Located in Centerville, Iowa, the car has had some paintwork done on the passenger side due to a scrape from the previous owner's garage door, but it remains in excellent shape overall. The reason for selling? Simply a need for more space, not because of any issues with the car. If you're looking for a well-maintained classic with low mileage, this Bonneville is worth considering. Number 6. The 1966 Mercury Park Lane, priced at $4,500. This classic car features a 4-door hardtop design and is equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, 2-barrel carburetor, and MERC-O-matic automatic transmission. Originating from Louisiana, it moved to Wisconsin about 10 to 15 years ago and was kept in a garage until 2 years ago. While the car has surface rust under the hood and around the doors, and some rot in the lower rear quarters, the fenders, rocker panels, and floor remain rust-free. Recent updates include a new gas tank, KYB shocks, rear coil springs, and tires, among other parts. The car runs and drives well, though the brake booster needs rebuilding, so transporting it with a trailer is recommended. Additional parts like a driver's side fender and NOS blinker housing are included. Number 7. The 1957 Chrysler Windsor, priced at $7,595. This classic car is a great, easy project for someone who enjoys working on cars or restoring them. It's been sitting unused for over 5 years and needs a new home. It features a 318 cubic inch engine, which is a type of V8 and has been updated with a 1974 drivetrain from a Plymouth Fury, including a V8 automatic transmission. The car will start with gasoline put directly into the carburetor, though it may have some issues with the fuel system. It needs new tires and a new battery to be roadworthy. It comes with all its original chrome trim pieces, but does need a new driver's side window. Number 8. The 1967 Volvo 122S, priced at $10,000. This classic car has a storied past, originally spending its first couple of decades in Kentucky before moving to Mississippi, where the current owner purchased it in 2022 and shipped it to Omaha. The owner is selling because of time constraints with a 5th child on the way. This Volvo is reliable for 20-mile work commutes in good weather and is otherwise kept in a garage with a battery tender. The engine has been fully serviced with fluid replacements, valve lashing adjustments, and compression checks. The carbs have been rebuilt and new intake and exhaust manifolds, along with a Sport 2-inch exhaust, have been installed. The front brake calipers have been rebuilt with new pistons, and the wiring has been fixed with a new fuse block. The car also features a tachometer, electric cooling fan, and new 3-point seat belts. Although the paint is cracking due to improper preparation, it is mostly cosmetic with no significant rust. The car still cleans up nicely and looks presentable. Number 9. The 1982 Chrysler LeBaron convertible, priced at $7,000. This classic convertible has traveled 52,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, making it an easy and comfortable drive. With only 3,000 of these cars made and not many left, it's a rare find that could be a great addition to any collection. The car has been lovingly maintained by a single family since it was first bought and boasts its original interior and exterior, ensuring an authentic vintage feel. Recent upgrades include new tires and an exhaust system. The car is powered by a 2.2-liter 4-cylinder engine with front-wheel drive, ensuring reliable performance. With a clean title, transferring ownership will be hassle-free. The seller is open to offers, so don't hesitate to make yours. Number 10. The 1978 Mercury Marquis, priced at $2,300. This classic car runs, shifts, and stops smoothly, and it has a clean title with no legal issues. You can drive it home without trouble, and it has minimal rust. Considering its age, the car is in decent condition. The engine and other mechanical parts are in good working order, although there are some cosmetic issues. The front grille can be replaced for about $50 on eBay, and one hood strut is missing, which is also easily fixable. It was damaged in storage years ago, but wasn't in a serious accident. The car features aftermarket exhaust and is missing some chrome on the rear bumper. The seller is open to negotiating the price and is also interested in trades, so feel free to reach out with any offers or trade ideas.